And Ashley, we have another question. Okay.
The analysis from NASA GIS Temp showed very clearly that 2019 was the second warmest year in the record that goes back to 1880 with this same methodology. The trends that we're seeing are similar ones to the ones that we've seen in previous times. We had a very warm Arctic, we have warmer land than we have ocean, but the warming is pretty much everywhere on the globe with the exception of a few parts of the southern oceans near Antarctica. The trends that we're seeing are very, very clearly outside the noise and the uncertainty in this analysis method.
The trends that we see in America that are most relevant. One is a general warming, but I would say more significantly we see the trend in overnight and morning temperatures, what we call minimum temperatures in the business, are warming more rapidly than afternoon temperatures, and that can have some profound economic, public health, and agricultural consequences.
To give you a sense of the human contribution, we can take away all of the human contributions. We can take away the changes in greenhouse gases and deforestation and just think about the changes that would have happened without us. So the volcanoes, the solar cycle, the orbital forcing. And when we do that and we estimate what the temperature pattern would be just because of those, we end up with a massive discrepancy and a discrepancy that is perhaps 6 or 7 sigma outside of what would be statistically possible. We compare multiple independent assessments of if the only thing that had been changing was greenhouse gases, we would have warmed slightly more than we've actually seen. But you put together all of the human influences in air pollution and deforestation and irrigation and greenhouse gases and the rest, then the trends actually line up very nicely.